The world of fishing can take a little navigating, especially when it comes to kids. It's helpful to have a road map. Here's some items to bring along when you take your kids fishing. One of the first things to consider is sunblock and a hat. It's important to protect yourself from the sun. Your kids can even decorate their hat with their own badges and flies. Life jackets are essential for boating, and you might want to consider them for fishing from docks and next to a swift-moving river too. Make sure you bring an appropriately sized pole. Adult ones might be too big for kids. Lots of tackle shops carry ones just for children.
Here you go. Great cast, buddy.
It's always important to have a valid fishing license. Requirements vary by age and state, so check with your local fishing shop or authority. Bring a tackle box and make sure you have the right kind of bait for the fish in your area.
Okay, so let's pick our spinner thing. What spinner thing do you want to use?
I like this
A red spotted one? A black spotted one? We're using spinners. Let's use this one because it looks like a ladybug, like you said.
Don't forget the snacks. We love to bring gummy worms and fish crackers. Get it? It's also important to bring a cooler that's light and easy to transport. You can use it to take snacks out and bring fish back.
Okay, say yay.
Hey.
Yay!
Die.
Good job, Alec. Good job. All right, let it go. There you go. Hold on to that. Got it? Like this.
I think Galaxy.
With a little planning and the right expectations, fishing with kids can be a blast. So get out there and have fun.